Today, I'm going to show you how to get your first 1,000 leads and turn that into your first $1,000 through a step-by-step, day-by-day process. This is a proven process we implement with our clients to help them launch their products or services. Now let's jump in. Day 1. Identify your dream customer. Before you do anything else, you need to get crystal clear on who is the right person you want to serve. A lot of people start creating something just because they're excited, but they end up attracting everyone. But the truth is, the more specific you are, the faster your business will grow. To fix it, you need to shift your focus to your dream customer. So ask yourself, 1. Who do I actually want to serve? 2. What problems do they have? 3. What kind of products or solutions are they looking for? And for many of you, the answer is you 5 years ago. Think about where you were and the knowledge you've gained since then. That's the audience you'll be able to serve best. For the first 2 weeks, we'll focus on serving, not selling, providing value, building trust, and drawing people toward you. Day 2. Create an irresistible lead magnet. Now that you know who you want to serve, the next step is to create something valuable that will attract them, your lead magnet. A lead magnet is something valuable you give away for free in exchange for an email address. This could be a checklist, a free guide, a free course, a template, or a private video training. Your lead magnet doesn't need to be complicated. It just needs to solve one specific problem quickly. Once you have your lead magnet, you'll need a simple landing page where people can opt in to get it, something your dream customer really wants. As we go through this process, post your moments and ideas in the comments below. It helps me create more videos. Also, share this video, it would mean the world to me. Day 3. Build your lead funnel. A lead funnel is a simple 2-page funnel. Page 1 is the opt-in page, which offers your lead magnet and collects emails. Page 2 is the thank you page, which delivers the lead magnet. The goal of this funnel is to start collecting leads every single day, which is critical because the money is on that list. I've had people tell me over the years that email is dead, but my email list still makes money every day. If you want to grow a business, build an email list. A strong email list allows you to send offers, engage with your audience, and generate consistent revenue. You can expect $1 per subscriber per month on average. Day 4. Optimize your social media. Now that we have a lead magnet and a funnel, you need to get traffic to it. First, optimize your personal social media profiles, so that when people check you out, they immediately know who you are, what you do, and how you can help them. Then, join 5 to 10 Facebook groups where your ideal customers hang out. Instead of spamming them, contribute by answering questions and providing value. Each day, make one value post and answer 3 questions in each group. Over time, this builds trust and draws people to your profile, where they'll see your lead magnet and join your list. Day 5 today, 14. Continue providing value for the next 10 days. The strategy is simple. 1. Make one valuable post per day in each group. 2. Answer at least 3 questions per group daily. Do not sell anything yet. Just keep attracting people to your email list. This positions you as a trusted expert, and people will naturally start clicking on your profile, where they'll see your lead magnet and join your list. The goal is to reach 1,000 leads before moving to the next step. Week 3. Test your offer with a pre-launch. Once you have leads, it's time to test what they actually want to buy. First, send an email asking their biggest questions about your topic. Gather responses and use them to outline your course or offer. Announce a launch date to create accountability. This process is crucial because it helps you ensure you're creating something people actually want to buy. Week 4, Launch Week. Now it's time to start selling and turn those leads into paying customers. 1. Launch exclusively to your email list. 2. Announce the official launch to your full list. 3. Give your early subscribers a special discount or bonus for being first. 4. Use urgency and scarcity. Tell them why they should buy now. Finally, send multiple emails during the final 48 hours. Most sales happen at the last minute. When done correctly, this system turns 1,000 leads into your first $1,000 in revenue. Bonus tip. If you don't feel ready to sell something yet, start with affiliate marketing. Recommend a product you already use and love and get paid commissions for every sale. I hope you found this blueprint helpful. If you follow these steps and stay consistent, you'll build a profitable email list that fuels long-term success. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.